show you how to make a coconut coffee using our coconut beauty dust. So you're going to need 1 sachet per coffee. You're going to need a shot of espresso. I'm going to be using a little bit of maple syrup in this one just to add a little bit of sweetness. I'm using coconut cream and also a dash of coconut milk. Now to make it, what you need to do is first prepare your coffee and then add in your coconut beauty dust into the coffee, mix it until it's well dissolved. Then add in the milk, the cream and the maple syrup into your blender and blend it until it's really creamy. And then all you have to do is just pour your milk on top of your coffee and enjoy.